Hello friends, we recently saw the new Toyota Land Cruiser 250 and now it's been reported that Toyota wants to surprise everyone by introducing a small version of the Land Cruiser Mini. The new SUV will be a smaller copy of Land Cruiser, but the car will retain the frame construction and all-wheel drive with reduction gear. It will also be a most affordable SUV in a Toyota lineup. According to the latest information, the car has been codenamed 100D. Vehicle length 4.4 meters, wheelbase 2.6 meters. The car will premiere at the end of 2024. And now you can evaluate a new Mini Cruiser what it can be and choose the best color of a car. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel, see you in the next videos.